Right, so even though these gaskets are new, I'm having an issue where these things are just not performing the way that they should. I got a pretty massive leak in the rear for whatever reason here. So that's kind of what I'm gonna find out here really quick. So just looking at it here, a little bit of deforming all across here. It just looks like it just didn't have enough pressure here, so it seeped right through. That definitely sucks. Gaskets that were on there are just your normal standard cork. Really sucks. I guess I'm gonna have to look more into it here. A lot of different methods out there for putting on valve covers, but we can look at cylinder heads here. I'm going to take a quick peek. If I notice anything that would stop our sealing or anything like that. All have oil on the top of them. Engine looks good. Just oil seeped right past. Sucks, but not a whole lot you can do with it. So I bought a couple of different sets. I think we're gonna just go with these blue ones here. I'll grab them. So I was told by a couple of people that are big Mopar guys to just always go with these. They don't require any type of sealant, and you just put it right on the device itself. Can see right in the back, because this is the back part here, just how much it was seeping. It was seeping really good. Kind of just all over the place with this one right here. You can see how hard it was in there. And here just light pressure, but this one actually didn't leak. It was actually quite good. Alright, that was it. Now just to bump her off, let her run up, take her out.